Today I want to share a stunning kitchen renovation. This is our luxury European kitchen project. I hope you enjoy it. The kitchen before was very dark and dated, and it wasn't working for my client's lifestyle. The homeowners enjoy hosting family and friends, and they wanted a kitchen that would allow them to do so. The current layout was not working for them, and they wanted us to redo everything and create a space that they could enjoy. My client's European heritage and love for classical design was the inspiration for the entire space. We chose to do cream antiqued cabinets throughout the perimeter of the space, and this made the space feel much brighter. We also chose to take the cabinets to the ceiling. This not only increased storage, but it also made the illusion that the ceilings were much higher. We had some fun with the island, and we chose to do it in a French blue. The inspiration for the island color came from the range, which was also a blue. It's definitely the wow factor of the kitchen, and probably one of my favorite elements. At first my clients were a little hesitant with the blue range, but now it's their favorite thing in the kitchen. We added brass elements throughout to enhance the classical design elements that my clients had asked for. We chose to do antique sconces above the sink to add light, but also to add that European flair. We went with a beautiful white Calcutta marble. Definitely a splurge, but worth it. It adds to that classical and traditional design and European flair that my clients love so much. I loved working on this project. My clients trusted me with their vision. They requested a kitchen that had classical design elements, functioned better, and felt bright and warm, and we achieved just that. I couldn't be happier with the results, but most importantly, my clients love it. They now have a kitchen where they can entertain family and friends and create memories.